Dun 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 dun. What's up? What's up?
You help me over. Dude, come on.
What's going on, dog?
Jorge. Dude, we got an outbreak, man. We gotta get out of here. Help me over.
What happened?
Dude,
What
help
happened?
me over. Dude, at my job, man, there was a freaking outbreak. You know where I work?
Come on, jump down there. Jump down there.
Bro, dude, there was some crazy shit that just happened, man. I don't know. I got out of there just in the nick of time, dude. We gotta get everybody together. We gotta get out of here, man.
Shh. Leviticus?
Leviticus.
Martine, bro. Dude, you need to get your ass fucking over here right the fuck now, dude. It's going down, man.
What are you talking about?
Fabrizio came by. Dude, his facility had an outbreak, dude. You need to get your ass over here. It's gonna be world fucking domination, dude. Get the fuck over here.
Leviticus?
Leviticus.
Alright, I'll be right over.
See you soon. Oh, man. I really just hope this turns out okay, man. I'm worried, dude. Like, I'm worried. I mean, my family's in Seattle right now. I don't know, man. I'm fucking worried, dude. Like,
Everything will be all right, man.
fucking Martine, dude. Martine, bro. You fucking made it, dude. What's up?
What's up, man?
How you doing,
What's up?
dude? It's, I don't know, man. Shit's just going down, dude.
Alright, I'm ready.
The fuck are these?
Walkie-talkies.
All right, let's fucking suit up, boys. We got to get to the outskirts. And we got to get there as soon as we can, man. Let's fucking go.
What are you thinking? Sonoran Desert?
Sonoran Desert,
Or high up in the mountains?
Sonoran Desert, dude. Anywhere away from fucking population, man. Anywhere we can get away from people, that's where we need to get, dude.
Dude, let's just go up the mountains.
We have the fucking
Dude,
Hummer.
let's go up the mountains. Dude, it's been tested. They can't climb. Zombies don't know how to climb. There's no way they can get up there.
I'll take your word for it, man. We're going up the mountain. We just need to move. We need to
Alright.
get acted on this,
Fuck it.
man. Let's
Let's
fucking
suit up
go.
and get the fuck out of
Let's
here.
go.
I kind of wanted to blow dart.
Dude, come on, dude. I was champ 3 times consecutively, and Summer, what took you to go?
Used to kick your butt all the time when we were playing the back.
You know, Mom just told me to let you win.
I don't believe you.
Just give Martine the goddamn blow dart.
Fine, you can have it. God, what am I taking then?
You have the fucking chainsaw bitch thing.
You got a generator I could carry with it?
Dude, no, but we have the power cord.
Oh, good idea. Still want this 7-Up though.
All right, 7-Up, chainsaw, blow dart. I got the bat. Let's get it going, boys.
Yo, Fabrizio, you want this with you or you want it in the bag?
Throw it in the bag, man.
Alright, man, I got you. Keep running, boys. Don't look back. Go. We're on.
Oh man, I think I parked too far, man.
Dude, the sun's still going down. I think we'll make it up there before the sun falls.
Farewell to our home.
Hopefully there's no traffic, man.
Hopefully there's no zombies, man. Oh, Jesus.
Good point.
It's okay. It's okay. It's only the first stage. It's only the first stage. It hasn't begun to spread yet.
Dude, we don't know that, man. We don't know how bad it is.
All right, dude. All we have right now is positivity. We can only hope for the best.
All right, you want to be positive? Can I have my fucking 7-Up then?
Martine, where's the backpack?
Dude, you grabbed the bag, right?
I fucking forgot the bag.
You forgot the fucking backpack?
I knew we shouldn't have fucking had him be in charge.
These people are probably heading up the mountain as well. Is it widespread? Is it on the news yet?
I don't know, man.
Let me check. Let me check my phone.
The fuck are we gonna do about the backpack, guys?
Dude, they had all our weapons, all our food.
I have my fucking baseball bat. That's all we have.
We're fucked,
Dude,
guys.
dude. Holy shit, dude. Cell phone service is fucking down.
Fuck.
It's worse than I thought.
All service is down.
Oh shit.
Where are we going?
Just keep heading toward the mountain, guys. Just keep heading up there, man.
You guys, we have another problem. I'm getting low on gas.
Fuck. Oh shit, dude.
Will it get us up there?
I guess we'll take it as far as it will take us, huh?
Fuck, do you see that? On the left side, left side.
Oh
Do you see
shit,
that?
oh shit!
You see that?
Go, 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 go!
Fuck!
Dude, that was fucking close.
Fuck!